In this class, we're going to be talking often about difference quotient, the concept which is going to lead us to the slope of a tangent line and to the derivative. So what is the difference quotient? So difference quotient is an expression f of a plus h minus f of a over h. So I'm going to calculate difference quotient for a couple of examples. I'll start with simple enough. If function f of x equals to x squared. So if I want to calculate f of a plus h minus f of a over h, which is difference quotient, I'm going to get a plus h squared minus a squared over h. If you like, you can use difference of squares, which will be a little simpler, or you can square a plus h. So if you remember how to square a plus h, either foil it or do whatever is your favorite way, but you should be able to get a squared plus 2ah plus h squared minus a squared over h. A squared and a squared will be cancelled out. Two remaining things on top, two remaining terms on top, they're going to have h as a common and can factor it out. So 2a plus h over h, and h cancels out, so final answer here is 2a plus h. Another example on difference quotient is square root of 3 plus h minus square root of 3 over h. So in this case, our function is square root of x and a equals to 3. So the first thing we want to do here is we want to simplify the expression on top. So we want to get rid of square root. So to get rid of square root, we multiply by the same expression with opposite sign by conjugate. Then expression on top will be, you can foil it, but that is going to be formula a minus b times a plus b. If you remember, that equals to difference of squares. So that is going to be on top. So you get square root of 3 plus h squared minus square root of 3 squared. Copy the bottom. Square root. So 3 plus h minus 3 over h times square root of 3 plus h plus square root of 3. So 3 and minus 3 cancels out. So on top we have h over h times square root of 3 plus h plus root of 3. H and h cancels out, and we have our final answer as 1 over square root of 3 plus h plus root of 3. So our original expression is equivalent to this one. Our next example on a difference quotient is we have function 3 over x plus 2, and we need to evaluate difference quotient for that function. So we're working with the expression. So we're going to plug in a plus h for x. So we're going to get 3 over a plus h plus 2 minus 3 over a plus 2. Our first step is to get rid of complex fractions. So I'm going to multiply by a plus 2. That will take care of this fraction. But also need to multiply by a plus h plus 2, which will take care of this fraction. I cannot multiply it only in numerator, so I have to do the same for the denominator. Then I'm going to distribute multiplication, and I'm going to keep the denominator as is. So denominator is going to be product h times a plus h plus 2 times a plus 2. On top, after distributing the multiplication, a plus h plus 2 and a plus h plus 2 will be cancelled out. So the first term becomes a times 3 times a plus 2 minus 3 times a plus h plus 2. That is because a plus 2 and a plus 2 cancels out. So I got 3 times a plus h plus 2. H, a plus h plus 2, a plus 2. I'm going to distribute 3. 3a plus 6. I'm going to distribute minus 3a minus 3h minus 6. Then I'm going to combine like terms, 3a minus 3a, 6 minus 6. So what I've got finally is on top minus 3h over h times a plus h plus 2 times a plus 2. H cancels out, so final answer is negative 3 over h plus h plus 2 times a plus